see the Making Hill Hotel and Lounge is by your left-hand side. Immediately you come out from it. Now we are driving through another side of Enugu. The last time we drove into Enugu, we came through the Four Corners and we entered into the Independence Layout Phase 2 route that connected to Okpara Avenue. Now we are coming out from Making Hill, and the first place you're going to meet is the popular market called New Market. That's the fence that holds the New Market down towards this area.
This is the New Market?
Yeah, that's New Market. Goes down, takes up that left, major part of that left. There's an entrance from that side. Yeah, after these places that the KK people are parking, there's an entrance from the other side to inside the market, New Market. He also has motor parks around it, and he has shuttle that you can connect to the town with, to all parts of the town. Yeah, and it's not far from Radio Nigeria.
So what are these guys doing the uniform?
I think they are forest guards. You know, the forest guards were set up to, you know, protect the forest from the herdsmen.
Really?
Yeah, you know, nobody can deny the fact that the south and the southwest and the southeast geopolitical zone has been continuously and consistently attacked by the herdsmen, the cattle bearers, and you know, they come into your location, they don't ask questions, they destroy your crops. If anybody wants to retaliate or fight them, they come back to do the due. I wouldn't want to make this sound negative, but as positive as I can try to be, the issue is these people are killing people. So the forest guard people were set up to help us safeguard our forest. This is the ministry by your right. It's a secretariat that has a whole lot of buildings, that has a whole lot of ministries inside it. Ministry of Education, Ministry of Justice. We have the Enugu State Marketing Company Limited by your left-hand side. The Nigerian Geological Survey Agency, Police Clinic, all situated around this secretariat. You just need to find out yourself. So this is called Secretariat Road in Enugu, and it's in Okpara Avenue. Okpara Avenue is an extension of G.R.A. It's still G.R.A. Enugu. This is Colliery Avenue, and we have the Nigerian Institution of Surveyors side. Yes, and of course, Ministry of Lands by the right. Deals with anything that concerns land and allied matters. Then we have the National Archives of Nigeria by your right hand side. You know, where all the archives, historical archives and things concerning the country are placed. Now we are headed into the Okpara Avenue road that connects straight up to shopping mall. I think you are meant to go now. Yeah, that's Union Bank by your left.
Are they building a new CBN?
Yeah, that's a new construction of the CBN. But I don't get the new one they're building is exactly the same structure of the old one.
CBN have this particular pattern of structure of their building.
See this new one.
Even the one in Asaba almost looks like this.
And this is the old one.
Yes.
So why are they building this new one? What happens? to this one?
I don't know. I guess we should ask the federal government.
Maybe we set up an inquiry team to do that. So we're now in Okpara Avenue. Oh my God. I have the Access Bank, FCMB, Oceanic. Now Eco Bank. I can't remember the last time I saw Oceanic.
So what?
I said I can't remember the last time I saw Oceanic Bank. I was wondering how Oceanic came to my mind. I just called Oceanic Bank.
Ecobank and Oceanic, they merged together, right?
Yeah.
They merged together and
Formed an alliance. Still up where I've been. parts of G.R.A, Enugu. By your right is ShopRite, another entrance into ShopRite.
So we're going in and ending the video inside ShopRite.
What?
So we're going in.
Search a word. What are you looking for here?
Nothing really. Let's just conclude the video here at ShopRite. That's the reason.
Okay. I don't know. ShopRite is looking a bit stuffy today. I don't know. It's always stuffy though, because it's in the heartland of the city. Yes, I think the last time you ended the video, yeah.
Yeah.
And you're doing the same again today.
Yeah. So guys, a wrap. I hope you guys have enjoyed the drive-thru, and I hope to bring more exciting drive-thru of other cities and other places
sooner than you expect.
Yes. So I will see you guys on the next one.
Don't touch that guy.
Called it.
Subscribe.